This is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, onwards enter the Accounts category, check if you have any Google accounts added. If you do, or if you have, you will need to get rid of them or remove those accounts one by one, like that. Once you have no Google accounts left, you can re-enter another category of settings. This time it's going to be Google. At the Google page, go for the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Then you will need to sign into your child's Google account or the Google account that you have created to serve as, well, the child's one. If you do not have any, just sign up for one. That should not be hard at all. So I will enter my credentials real quick. Then proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do. After that, select the account that you have just logged into from the list over here. Then enter credentials to another Google account, this time belonging to you as a parent, or the Google account that you will use to supervise your child's activity. So you know the drill. Start by entering the email address, then follow it by typing in the password. At the following About Supervision page, you will need to enter the password to your child's Google account one more time, then tap at the Agree button. At the following pop-up window, go for the Allow. Wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then click Next. This step we can skip. The same applies for the following step as well. From here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the one that you will use as a parent, you can tap at the blue button and get everything needed automatically downloaded and installed to your phone, or you can do that manually as well, which is the option that I'll go for personally. So from this point, everything that should have been done at the child's end was successfully finished. Now you will need to take your device, parental device, or phone that you will use to supervise your child's activity. Here is mine, and then get the Family Link app from the Play Store. Here it is. So now let's download and install it. So launch the app. While opening it, make sure to sign in with the parent Google account. And inside the app itself, you can do a lot of things. For example, set up the daily device usage limits, downtime routine, manage your supervisee's app usage, and monitor the app usage as well at the app limits section. Apply content and age restrictions for following services. Configure account settings, manage devices if you have multiple added, monitor your child's live location, and see your child device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.